Alrighty, so now we're more up to operating temperature. Also have the electric cooling fan operating right now to keep it cool when it's in idle. The radio is working. Got your aftermarket racing seats, both lap and shoulder harness, shoulder belt. Paint's in pretty good condition. Got a few little minor scratches. Chrome's in excellent condition. Also included is the tonneau cover roll bar, which we removed, and chrome luggage rack. Documentation and official Sprite Midget manual. The inside of the trunk. Spares kind of old. I changed out the other ones because they had aged out. Four new Redenstein tires. Doors operate just fine. And I'm also including this handy little kit here for air compressor, impact wrench, and hydraulic jack, which works fine. I'll show you the underneath of the car.